Okay, I love a clean house. I actually enjoy cleaning. I'm one of those people who find it relaxing. And a couple weeks ago, I got this new rug, but I haven't been able to clean it because I don't have a vacuum. Most of my house is hardwood floor. The only other rug I have is washable, and it's in my dog's room. So when that gets dirty, I shake it off and throw it in the washer, but this one, I can't do that. So I was searching all over for vacuums, doing my research, reading reviews, and I found this one. Let me tell you what I like about it. So right out of the box, it comes with, a paper for instructions, helpful tips. It has a few attachments so that way you can use the hose and actually get in some good spots. What really sold me is that it's made for both hardwood floors and carpet, which is just perfect for my setup, and the filter is washable and it's corded. I wanted a corded one really bad because I've been reading reviews where maybe the battery dies too soon. Like, I don't want to have to charge my battery halfway through cleaning. I probably won't want to keep cleaning, or I don't know, I can't imagine. So it comes with the cord. The cord, I'm going to admit, it isn't the longest from taking out of the box, but it definitely cleans the room you're in, and you can find a plug that's close enough to clean where you need to get. I remember when I was growing up, we had a vacuum that had one of those bags, and that thing lasted forever, like so long. I honestly don't even remember us buying new bags. I don't know how we did it. But this vacuum, it's nice because there's no bags needed. You can clean the filter, just pop it out, watch, I'll show you at the end. Here I am taking a look at everything it came with. This part is going to be the most difficult, but it's not even difficult. Watch. You just have to put these 2 screws into the handle, and that's it. This is step 1, and every step after this is just super easy. So once you get both of the screws in, make sure they're nice and tight, because you don't want to have to come back and do this again. And then step 2 is just putting this little piece in. This is what's going to hold the stick, that long bar that you can use to put the hose on, the hose attachment. To be honest, I don't think I have any intentions or plans to use the hose part, but it's nice to know that if I ever need to use it, like if I want to clean my car, vacuum my car, take it in my garage or something, I can definitely do that. So it's nice to have if you need it, but it's not necessary at all. And just like that, we have a set of vacuum. It's really that easy. So now that it's set up, let's put it to the test. First, I take out the cord. I love this because, again, you don't have a long cord that you're having to wrap around, get tangled, drag around the house. This one, it pulls out so easy, and then it doesn't retract on its own. It only retracts when you push this button. And you don't even have to push it with your hand. You can use your feet. You don't have to kneel down. It's really the nicest thing ever. This gray step handle is for leaning it back, and then the red one is for power. So let's go ahead and plug it in and put it to the test. We're starting out on level 3. Level 3 is right between bare floor and high carpet. This room has carpet and hardwood floors, so it seems like a good median. Now, it's not super quiet, but really, who cares? Instead, it's super powerful. I don't know if you heard that, but it was just crackling, popping, picking up all the dirt, everything off that carpet. And then when I go to take it to the kitchen, it's just super lightweight. I don't feel like I'm dragging around something heavy. I could even pick it up and carry it if I want to, which is really nice. I read up on the instructions on how to clean it. I'm not going to do a full deep clean right now, but it's going to be super easy when I am ready. Really, just take everything out, rinse it with soap, well, maybe some soap, definitely water, and then let it dry. As you can tell, I only vacuumed for 5, maybe 6 minutes, and this is everything I picked up. It got all kinds of hair that I couldn't even see before, dirt that I didn't even know was there. Really, this thing is powerful, and it's super easy to clean. So I just pop the button, put in a bag, and that's it. I also took out the hairs with my hand. I know, it's gross, But wow, look at that. Like, there's so much lint too. Really, I'm just super impressed with this vacuum, and I'm I'm really excited I got it, which sounds so crazy. And I didn't know this before, but looking at it, I can tell why I like it so much. Usually I'm not a fan of vacuums in general because I have long hair and it always gets trapped in this part right here. I can't use a vacuum, it's just a mess. But this one just looks like it's so open. Everything goes right into that hole. There's not a whole lot of in between or places, that dirt things can get stuck in. I'm just so excited, really. If you need me, I'm gonna be busy vacuuming my whole house. Okay, catch you later. Bye.